Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up our headset to work smoothly with Gohighlevel. When we make calls through the built-in dialer or handle customer support, having our audio set up correctly helps us communicate clearly and sound professional. Let's get started. First, we go to the settings here. We connect our headset. If we use a wired headset, we plug it in. If we use Bluetooth, we connect it now. Once Bluetooth is connected, we return to the dashboard. On the Gohighlevel dashboard, we click the lock icon beside the URL and select the right option. In the settings, we connect and secure our device. We can set these as default or allow access. After we set up the microphone, we adjust our mic and sound settings. We can set these to automatic or allow access. Now, we can use our headset smoothly with Gohighlevel. We should always test the microphone and speaker settings before taking live calls. Avoid interruptions.